Hello guys, today again I need your help because to your grand demand and also to the great success of the book of homemade liquors, this year with L'Uomo di Casa we will publish the book about cold cuts, about salami. So I need your help to choose the picture that most represent me and l'uomo di casa together working on the cold cuts. Now I'll show you the pictures. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Plus, thank you guys for your great support here on the channel and also buying the book. So in this way we can also keep going with this project of the books. Okay guys, I show you again all the pictures together. Let us know which one is the best for you. Plus, let me know if you like the title. So you will buy a book with this title, The Italian Way of Curing Meats, represent me and l'uomo di casa? Let us know down in the comment. Bye bye.